Hi viewers, today we're going to see how this UV mosquito killer lamps works. Actually, I'm not doing any particular review about this product, but I picked it because this is one of the best top selling model in one of the Chinese website. Even I see reviews as well, some are negative, some are positive. So just want to know what's inside, how it's going to work. So this is the power button, and below it you have indicated this model has dual mode, one night lamp as well as UV light. So this is the type C charging port. It has a UV A type LED, which is a medium power, medium, and this on the top, this is slot for to keep the mosquito attract tablet. I will show later in this video. This is the outer cage, and you can see the grid winding. So all this is a grid winding. So this mosquito killer UV lamp uses UV ultraviolet UV LED type A, which is a which we found normally in like sterilizing equipments and mosquito killer lamps. So you can see it has a dual mode. One is for night lamp, one is for mosquito killing. So that's why you can see, I will show, you will find two LEDs, two type of LEDs. So this is the mosquito UV. As you can see, there is a fan. For it was advertised like it's a turbo fan, but it's not. It's a normal fan generally found in PCs. So it purpose for it sucks the mosquitoes. So we'll see, as I told now. So this is the fan. This is not that much powerful, just normal fan. We will see it's a sucking power as well. Below it you can see that blue color is a rechargeable battery. I will and see, this is the fan. As you can see, RPM seems to be normal, not a high power, but it was advertised like a hurricane. So right now we'll see its suction power. See, right now I'm putting newspaper, so it's not even pulling. Suction power is very less, but it was advertised as a hurricane hurricane suction power kind of thing, but which was not true. Actually, in this product reviews, few are negatives, few are positives. So actually I want to try this and see. This is my first mosquito UV lamp. I want to see how it's going to work. As per my usage, I don't feel it's working as advertised. I can feel the mosquito biting. There are mosquitoes still. So this is the UV mode. On the top we need to put a mosquito tablet, attract to tablet, which was provided, so it will attract the mosquitoes. Later I will show. But even that did not work for me. Actually it was advertised as built in, but actually it was separately. It was kept separately. We need to put it on the top. So as I told now, so it's not even, it has no enough suction power. So as we can see, it's not able to. This is the normal night lamp mode. It has two modes, so you can see. This is the main PCB. Actually I'm looking for a inbuilt bionic device which was mentioned in the description that simulates the release of lactic acid emitted by the human body, which was mentioned in the product description. I could not find any such kind of device or anything that normal ultrasonic components. So as I told, no, you can see two types of LED. One is the UV LED and the other is the warm LED for night light. As you can see, it has a it is a capacitor that which stores that electricity, and it will discharge when the grid wires contact. So as you can see, two type of LEDs. So that large capacitor, that's the key component in this mosquito killer lamp. This is, as I can see, normal transformer step up, I think, and that LEDs you can see SM LEDs. So it mentioned it has a it simulates cardio respiration to simulate a human breath and to for lactic acid emission. So it was mentioned, but I cannot find any component that simulate such kind of thing. I'm not sure how it going to work, but I could not find any electronic component that suits that. Yeah, they mentioned that it simulates a heat signature of a human body temperature of like 36 to 37 degrees, but in my testing, even this also not that much accurate. So whatever the temperature they are showing, when I check with my thermal camera, it was like 32 degrees always. So this is the main PCB where I am trying to look for any electronic components. So this is the attract tablet which they are referring, and this is the internal battery. In reviews, many people complain that it's only lasts for 2 hours, even though it advertised a 3000 mAh battery. So when I opened it, I'm shocked to find it has 1200 mAh battery instead of advertised 3000 mAh. And the good thing is they genuinely mentioned use of UV LED in long term is harmful to health.